Namaste, my name is Michelle Chua. Thank you for joining me for a few minutes of guided Yoga Nidra meditation. This particularly to experience the vayus within your body. The vayus are animating energies, the movement of life force. And we have 5 different vayus or winds, another name for it, that we'll experience through different parts of the body. And this practice is meant to help you to tune into your body's intelligence and your own inner wisdom. So let's find a lying down position. So please make sure that you are comfortable as you lie down. If your lower back feels tense, you may want to place a pillow or rolled up blanket underneath the backs of your knees so that there's a light bend in your knees supported as you splay the legs out. Take a moment to roll the shoulders back into the ground and away from your neck. As you're lying on your back, you may want to turn the palms to face up to help open the chest. Also a gesture of openness, receptivity. It may help to place a gentle weight over your eyes if you have an eye covering. Otherwise, just close your eyes either way and begin to allow your body to be still. As I count down from 10, let your body relax even deeper. 10, let all other sounds in your background fade into the distance of your awareness. 9, assure yourself that right now you've chosen and committed to be here in this practice of tuning in. There's nowhere else to go and nothing else to do. 8, feel your exhale begin to unravel any physical tension. 7, let your bones become heavier as your body sinks into the surface below. 6, trust that you are safe here. 5, let yourself fall deeper into relaxation. 4, surrender your worries of doing this right or wrong. Neither is relevant. It's okay if your attention flows in and out of hearing my voice. 3, this practice will still work as your subconscious mind is always listening. 2, soften any remaining resistance in your body or mind. 1, relax. You have arrived. Now rest your awareness deep within yourself, honoring the intelligence of every cell in your human body temple. Let's set an intention or sankalpa to attune to your body reverently with a practice of Ishvara Pranidhana or devotional surrender to your highest self. Lovingly with ahimsa or non-harm, non-violence. And truthfully with sattva or truthfulness. Let this mantra or positive affirmation plant the seed of your intention. Body, I love you and attune to your wisdom. Body, I love you and attune to your wisdom. saying it mentally to your body. Body, I love you, and attune to your wisdom. Feel the resonance of your words. Let's take a journey through your wise body temple, riding the vayus, or movements of air, energy, and life force. Allow your awareness to travel through your body now on a journey of sensation. Simply feel each part as I mention it, without moving, remaining still. Welcome all sensation just as it is. And let's rest your attention at your navel, below your belly button, which is the pranic center of your body. This is where Apana Vayu moves. Feel any sensation in your lower abdomen. And then down through the sides of your lower torso. And around into your lower back. And even further down to the base or bottom of your spine. As you exhale, imagine a wave passing downward through your body, carrying away tensions or patterns that are no longer useful. Breathing out, release any experiences or information that are no longer helpful to you. Let Apana Vayu help eliminate outdated patterns and tendencies and release stagnation. Let your attention now rise to your mid and upper abdomen, where Samana Vayu flows in churning, spiraling motion. Feel the organs at your digestion, metabolizing all that you're digesting through food and life experiences. Feel this equalizing life force at your stomach. Notice any sensations there. Your intestines, your liver, which is below your lowest right ribs at the front. Your kidneys, which is below your lowest back ribs on each side, left and right. Let Samana Vayu support you to absorb and assimilate what is helpful. As you inhale, a fresh wave circles through your abdomen, bringing a sense of calm, cohesiveness to every cell. As you continue to feel your natural in-breath, rest your attention at your chest. Feel your lungs receive oxygen. The air entering from the region of your heart and originating from your head. As you inhale through your nose, notice the sensations there. Then at your chest, and upper back. Notice your side ribs. Let each wave of inhalation, carried by pran vayu, recharge, nourish, and inspire you and the cells of your body. And let your awareness now sit at your throat, where the dominant wind is Udana Vayu, upward and outward moving energy. Notice what sensations you feel at your throat right now. There, allow the support of Udana Vayu to uplift or encourage your voice, enthusiasm, growth, expression, and inspiration. Let's expand your perception to encompass your whole body. Throughout your whole body flows the circulating life force of Vijnana Vayu. It organizes and integrates all the other vayus. It moves outward in a circular pulsating motion, like your circulatory system, through your heart and arteries from head to toe. It governs your voluntary nervous system. Feel all the parts of your body and the vayus circulating life force together now as a whole. Feel your body as sensations, as energy, as radiant vibrations. Rest in awareness that life force is moving through and blessing each part of your body, animating. And your body is constantly sending messages to you of how best to cultivate balance, vitality, and harmony. Let's pause for a few minutes in silence to attune to your body's intelligence. As I count from 1 to 10, I invite you to gradually transition your awareness from deep inside to bridging both your inner and outer worlds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Allow a deep inhalation as though you could breathe into your whole body. Opening the lips, exhale completely. Take your time easing out of a lying down position, no rush. You can turn over to one side and pause there for a few breaths. Notice how you feel after this practice. May you feel peace, vitality, and balance from the inside out. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.